Trekking through the suburbs and countryside of Japan to visit your favourite workshops is one of the best parts of visiting the land of the rising sun. But even better is when 2 hours, 3 trains and a taxi leads you to one of the most well-known, respected and influential workshops in the tuning industry. Top Secret have been building some of the best Japanese performance cars in the world for over 10 years, and founder Smokey Nagata is one of the heroes of the tuner scene. While Mike was shooting the Supra for the magazine, we decided to take a look around the shop. The car park and workshop were filled with customers' cars, and we also spotted the famous twin-turbo V12 Supra undergoing some more modifications. The showroom inside is like a modifier's dreamland, with Top Secret and other big-name parts everywhere, along with merchandise, trophies and display engines. Around the side of the workshop were some previous demo cars. It seems a shame that these cars merely sit parked outside in the rain, including some tough R34 GT-Rs and the famous RB26 powered Supra. But that's not the Supra we were here for. It was this one. The first thing you notice is the crazy Top Secret body kit that totally changes the look of the car and brings this Supra into the 21st century. Almost everything is changed. Rear bumper, spoiler, side skirts, wide fenders, front bumper, vented hood, and of course, the custom headlights. A set of gold 19-inch Volk GTV wheels with matching Top Secret graphics, some Ganagor mirrors, and a Top Secret rear diffuser finish it off. Inside the massive wheels are equally huge Brembo brakes. Inside, Recaro seats, Takata harnesses and Defi gauges is all that's required. Pop the hood and this Supra has the power to back up its bold looks. An HKS stroker kit brings capacity out to 3.4 litres, while the HKS head gasket seals the head, which is fitted with 264-degree camshafts. Providing the boost is a HKS TO4Z turbo kit, which blows through a HKS intercooler and expels the gases through the HKS dump pipe and Greddy exhaust system. A Greddy oil cooler and ARC radiator help the car keep its cool, while 800cc injectors are controlled by the HKS FCON V Pro ECU to the tune of 726 PS. That's some serious power in a street car. And to prove it, the owner arrived at the end of our shoot to drive the car home. It doesn't exactly look like your typical highly modified performance car owner, does it? With the Supra gone, we turned our attention to another customer's street car, this R34 GT-R. The carbon trunk lid, hood and mirrors, along with front lip, graphics and a set of Volk TE37s is all this car needs to look super tough. It also sports monster-sized Brembo brakes, so it's a sure bet the car has some power. A fully built engine with an HKS TO4 turbo and intercooler kit and Nismo inlet manifold take care of the airflow, while the HKS fuel rail, bigger injectors and surge tank under the car with twin Bosch pumps takes care of the juice. Inside, the R34 is a bit more outlandish. A bright red bolt-in roll cage, mix-match bride seats, Defi gauges, red trim and steering wheel, along with other various pieces of carbon spruce things up. You can also spot the Blitz boost controller and the gear indicator for the sequential gearbox. As wild as this car is, it's just a regular customer street car at Top Secret.